Hello. So today's reading is about that the person you are in love with, what they love about you the most. So there are three piles: lotus, lily, and my favorite sunflower. So pick any, close your eyes, whatever flower appears in your sight, just pick that one, right? So we'll start with the lotus right now. Let's see what do they love about you. King of Swords, the Death, and the Fool. So this person must be of the Scorpio nature, right? And what do they love about you? They love that your kiddish nature, the your taking everything in a very light way. Main to main problem, you take it, you solve it in a very light way, and you get through all the problems, and you cover up your every job in a very light way. You don't take any kind of a stress on your head. You are just in a very happy going moods and something, though there could be a lot of problem behind the scenes, but you never bring it to the front, right? And moreover, your communication skill, your skill of dealing the elder people, the seniors, something, you the skill that you can deal with many people. So this is a thing that which they love the most in you, right? And your communication skill, they are fan of your communication skill, they are fan of your judgment skills, they are fan of your determination to get the things done on time. These are the things which they are very fond of, right? And though being very, the outer personality is very kiddish, you look you look quite less than your age. You must be very beautiful, very charming. Your attire doesn't, doesn't match up with your personality. Still they are you, though you wear something very what you say that proper clothes or something, like serious people do wear, like coat, tie, something like that, blazers, tuxedo. But when you talk, when you behave with people, when you deal with them, it's amazing. You just bring other people's into your confidence, just in a very light way. In just seconds you get your job done, whatever you require from them, you just get it done. So this is the thing, with this is the capability which they are of yours, which they are very fond of. Manipulating the things and getting your things done in a very in a very tricky way. You just get the things sorted very easily. So this is the thing they are, which they are very fond of. Let's see other cards also. Nine of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. They like the way that you hold the parties, the you host the parties. They like that you are a very good entertainer. You are a very nice entertainer. When it comes to the entertainment, you entertain a crowd in a very nice way. Uh, you might be doing such kind of a job. You must be an entertainer, right? And the way you handle your finances, the way you save your finances and expenses, they are very fond of. So, and you are emotionally, you give them the support. So this is a thing that which they like in you a lot. So let's see what oracle adds to it. Past, you don't crib over past. You don't talk about their past or your past. You just live in the present. This is very, they are very fond of. Like, you don't dig into the any past, though you must have gained some kind of experience from your past, which you are applying in today's present. So they are very fond of all these things. Let's see emotionally what they are very much fond of. It's time to release the negativity. So I suppose that's a Scorpio nature. So some kind of a doubt they are having in about you in their mind. is about to get, they are about to get rid of about any negativity. You must feel, because of your, you are such a charming personality, you get the deals done or get the things done in your own very tricky way. So some people might be jealous, and out of that jealousy they might be talking at your back full of negativity and something. So that time is about to leave, and this person will be soon will be feeling something very positive about you, and uh, all the negativity will in their mind will vanish. So let's see what signs do they belong, sun signs do they belong of. I'll take only three signs, doesn't matter if fourth jump by itself. See, I know that fourth sign will come by itself. So this is Scorpio. I can sense this is a Cancer, something like this. And this is Taurian. Yeah, it's a Scorpio and Cancer. They both are here. Water sign. Pisces. So water sign is prevalent, very much prevalent in your read. So this person is like water sign, right? I can see they are like quite jealous of your things also, because of your personality, the way you carry yourself, and moreover the uh, fans you are having, they are quite jealous of it. Okay, let's see the alphabets in their names. Oh, the key has come. So they know that you are the key of their success and their everything, of their happiness, of their life. You are the key. This charm automatically came along with the alphabets. So there is V in the alphabets, A is there, D is there, N is there, W, R, and X. See, I can see that there are two fours and three ones. So one number must be coming in there, or 11 must be, or 4 must be coming in their date of birth or something like this, right? And these are the alphabets coming in their names. Vandy, Wendy, something like this. Okay, let's see the charms. Gun. So this person must be fond of arms and ammunitions, must be keeping a gun, or fond of antique guns, which I can sense, and which I'm picking up from the read, and must be having his heritagely gun, right? Shell, seashell is there. So this person must be feeling that you are a lucky charm for this person. Moreover, this person must be fond of shells or something, or a beachy person, fond of beaches and water, spiral. This person is very fond of you, cannot get out of your thoughts. God hand is there. So he or she thinks that you are that this person is quite lucky to have you. Is you are a blessing of God. A butterfly, must be fond of butterflies, or must be having a lawn or a garden where there could be many butterflies. Gold coin, this person must have inherited a lot of treasure, something like this, or must be having gold coins or fond of gold coins. And wand, this person is quite physically attracted towards you. So these are the charms. So if you have any confusion, so I have given you the signs also, I have given you the alphabets also, and I have given you the charms also. So there should be no confusion in the read that what this person is loving about you, or you must be you must be knowing what you say. You must be having a gun or something, or you must be knowing what you say, aiming. Your aiming thing must be very good. You must be having a good aiming power with the guns. Your aim must be very good. So this person must be fond of your other side also. So if you like the read, do hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So let's go to the read Lily. Whosoever have ever chosen for the Lily. Let me put the camera right. So let's see what your person loves about you, and that is the Hermit. Your thinking power. This person is amazed with your thinking power. That you think every pros and cons. You get into the details and all. This person is very fond of your detailing power, right? And you might be having a kind of a detective nature, that you bring each and every detail into the highlights. So this person is fond of that. The other card is Four of Wands. So this person is fond of that you are having a very decorative nature. You must have maintained your home and everything in a very decorative way, or you must be dealing in some kind of a property business, and this person is very fond of that you maintain that uh, s- you maintain that skill of selling the properties or something in a very good manner. You never do anything wrong, and you do not sell the properties which are of not good. So you must have you must be a dealer or something like this. You must have sold your property, sold some property to this person. This person is very fond of that thing. And Seven of Wands. So here I can see that this person is something, I can sense some kind of a commitment, that this person must be, or you must be committed, that this person cannot reach to you, right? So but this person is very fond of you, but you people are in touch with each other, and you must be knowing that this person loves you, and this person is very fond of your skills, and this person is very fond of you, right? And what should I say, like, it's a very good cards, that you, very skillful cards. So I can sense Virgo in this thing. You must be Virgo, this person must be Virgo, right? This person is very fond of your skillful nature, dealing with the problems in a very particular way, that taking out each and every pros and cons of the uh, of the problem, and you deal it very skillfully. You must be very skilled, right? You must be having a very good knowledge about properties, and you must houses or rental things, right? Quite knowledgeful person you must be. So this person is very fond of your knowledge thing. Let's see the other cards also. The Two of Swords, the Chariot, and Nine of Pentacles. So this person is like, is, again I would say that you bring out every dark and white uh, thing out of a particular situation. Before reaching out to the, jumping to the conclusion, you take your own sweet time. So this person is very fond of this thing, and this person is quite this person is very much dependent on you for everything. uh, this person cannot reach to any decision without your consultation into it. This person knows that you might take a bit longer time before jumping to the decision, but you will, whatever decision you will take, it will be very good for everything and everyone. It will be in everybody's favor. Nobody will be at loss, and you are quite in justful in nature. So this person thinks like this, and you must be very very attractive and beautiful. You must be knowing the skill of savings. So this person is very fond of your beauty. This person is very fond of the power of saving of yours. So I can sense this. And let's see what oracle has to this read. Is gratitude. The way you treat people, the way you treat your guest, the way you present your gratitude to others, and everybody appreciate your efforts. This person is very fond of that. You must be having a very good fan following. Let's see the emotional card. Bring love into the situation. I think this person is loving for of your skills, not with the heart of yours. So this person finally will start loving in your with your heart also. This person is just is a fan of your outer attitude with the people, the way you handle the things, the way you tackle the problems and something, but not at your heart something. So this person will soon follow in love with you heartily, in depth also, when the Aquarius season will come, or this person is Aquarius. So this person is soon going to give you love soon. It's going to happen very soon. So let's see is what alphabets, or I can see the signs also. Let's see the signs also. What signs? As I said, mentioned that Virgo is there. Four signs again. Some Pisces, and this is a Gemini, and this is Aquarius, and this is a Capricorn. So these are the signs which I can see, right? And now let's see the alphabet also. D, here's O. I'll place the number ones here. I, there are two I's. There's E also. So this person must be having E or I a lot in their name. X, again I. So there are three I's in this read, and there are three I's, and so this person must be having, you know, what do you say? This person must be having lot of knowledge, but this person is fond of yours knowledge a lot. So let's see the charms. What do the charms bring to this read? Okay, this person, this has fallen out, so I felt that this person must be belonging to Paris or wish to go to Paris in winter season or something. This is a danger sign. So before falling for this person completely, you must get all the proper details about this person. A horseshoe is there and a danger sign is there, so please get the details verified, and an anchor. So don't jump more into the depths of this relationship. Get the things checked. And this C was also there. This is also number 3. I'm sorry, C. And I can see an elephant. This person must be fond of riding an elephant, also going to the safaris. And a key. So this person might be using you or something, or might be having a thought of using your skill for his or her own deeds particularly. Just get the facts checked before jumping more with this person into the depths of love or emotions, because the card also mentioned here is that bring love into the situation. So I can sense something else other than love, as cards are also saying, and anchor is also saying, the charms are also saying. Be careful, right? This was your read, and if you like it, then do hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. This is the last read. That is the people who have chosen the sunflower, so can go for this read. Okay. What this person is very fond of you is the Tower, the High Priestess, and the Judgment. All the 3 major arcana cards. I think you are quite intuitive, as I too have chosen this sunflower as. So it's very clearly mentioned that you are must be empath like me, must be having a good uh, intuitive power, right? So, and a judgment. So I can sense that this person believes in you completely, that you can bring life to the dead people, or you can make any tough situation into a very lively situation, and you can bring falling situation back to their pride thing, right? So this person completely believes in you, all the senses. So I also picked up sunflower today. Just wanted to see what my husband thinks of me, what he fall, because he's very non-expressive. So just wanted to see that what he loves about me. So Me being empath and you being empath or intuitive, this your person is in love with that ability of yours, love in the capability of yours that the god has given to you, and you seems to be quite blessed with the judgment card. So this person is something, is in love with you for your blessings, and this person is sent to you by the god himself. So what should I say, this person is in all in love with you, that you bring the power, life back to the dead people, and the tower which have been fallen, so you can get them stand back on their wands and rods. So let's see the other cards also. What do they say? Nine of Swords, Three of Pentacles, and Four of Pentacles. So these are the cards which are saying that you are very creative of nature, and you can make the sick people healthy again, and you are quite you can save money, and you are blessed with money by god himself. So this person thinks a lot about you in a very very good way. So let's see what the oracle adds to it. Self love. So you must be of a nature that who loves oneself or herself or himself first before loving other, and those only people who are into the self love can help others with their own positivity. So let's see what the monology has to say. Meditate and complete. So this, there are two cards. Be bold and make the first move. So something, your bold nature, and you make the first move in every situation this person is very fond of, that you are not afraid of any damn thing in this world, and you make the first move to in any kind of a situation. So that helps you a lot, and your person is very fond of that. So let's see uh, the what do the charms add to this read of yours. Hot shoe. This person thinks that you protect them or your loved ones with some kind of a spells from the evil eye. That person thinks this is a gold key. This person thinks that you are a key to every damn problem in this world. You can solve, you can solve anything in this world. And the owl. So you are blessed with the lot of prosperity things. And angel. This person thinks that you are an angel, right? You must be looking less than your age. This person thinks that with the kids you become a kid and you enjoy the life, and you bring uh, enjoyment in their life also, in their dull nature also. And see, here's a high priestess thing again. This charm is something, a lady sitting with the crystal ball. So it shows again, definitely you must be an empath. You like to move around. This person is very fond of the places you decide to roam and enjoy. So this person totally depends on you for uh, any kind of decisions regarding roaming, regarding fun. Gold lady, you must be a gold person. You must be fond of gold coins like me. Okay. Wands, you must be having a very good nice figure that this person is very fond of, a maintained good figure. Om, holy symbol of Hindus. So you must be very spiritual, and this person really likes your spirituality a lot. And a bouquet, you must be fond of greenery or nature, must be having plants or something. So you must be taking care of them. So this person is really in love with you for all the things, because you are all in one. Empath also, they are fond of nature also, god fearing and god loving, and blessed with gold, blessed with prosperity. And owl is there, a horseshoe is there. You protect other people from evil eyes and protect your family or something like this. You are an angel. You have must be having an angels with you who are giving you the guidance. So this person is fond of you in all the ways. There is no other way. I can sense this is the best reading I ever had till date. So uh, I see, I can sense this is a like this person is totally from head to toe is falling for you. So if you like the read, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.